I'm gonna review this paint sprayer gun. It's with the cord, so it's really easy to use. You can remove it from the motor with this little button over here, and you can just disassemble the whole thing and clean it up. It's really easy to use. I'm gonna show you in a minute. It comes with different type of nozzles, so you can spray different type of paints. Also has some tools to clean it up, and 3 extra rings, so it will be sealed when you put it on. And this is just the cover that goes in here. It comes also with a funnel, 1 plastic, and 2 paper, and of course a container. It's for 1400 milliliters, so it's really a big size. Another funnel, plastic one. And it's really easy to use. All you have to pick which nozzle you want to use. Just put it in, and really that's really it. You put it on the nozzle, and you just choose how you want to spray the paint, either ways. And you just tie it up. Put it together in here. Just simple. And it's ready to go. See, it's really nice, handy. Big, powerful motor. About 650 to 1000 watts output. And also you can adjust it over here. And the flow, you can adjust it over here. You want more or less flow. And I'm going to show you in a minute how it works with paint. Okay, I already put some paint in there. It's already paint, so all you have to do is connect the motor with it. And here's a minus or plus, so you can adjust the flow. And all you have to do is paint, just like that. See? Really easy. Really easy to do. I like it. I really like it. You can remove everything in here. I just recommend it. Remove it over here, clean it up. You can disassemble the whole thing, and it's easy to clean. And this is the motor. See, motor. So really easy to clean. I really recommend it. Yes, that's it.